Hi, I'm Zainab and I work as an accountant at SA Knowledge Services. To me, choosing an MBA was not just academics, but it was my life goal because I wanted to stand out and also be employable wherever I go to work. Convenience was the other factor that I was looking at because I am a mother of 2 children, working full time and also lecturing. So I was looking at a program that would help me with fitting into my schedule of work. So at IIHE there is a very flexible program which happens once every 7 weeks for each module. This has really helped me with balancing my work life, my studying and also my personal life. The other factor that I looked at was the reputation and the recognition of the university. The MBA program that is offered by IIHE is from the University of Wales, Trinity St. David, which is currently ranked at 57th in the league table of 2020. The faculty has diversified and a wide range of experience which really helps us understand and helps us get practical knowledge into the subject that is taught. Apart from that, the guest lectures are all industry specialists who also come and impart so much of knowledge with their practical experience, which also helps us look into in the same field. We are in a rapidly changing environment with disruptive innovations and technologies coming in. So the content that is covered also has it is up to date, and there's a wide range of coverage in the content that is provided here at IIHE, and the assignments are also very thought-provoking and challenging, and it actually challenges the potential. I have no regrets choosing the MBA program here at IIHE, and I would recommend anyone who is looking for the program to please come and to have a look at the MBA program that is offered here at IIHE. Thank you.